welcome to How to Music Tech. This is part 21 in this series. How to overdub on the looper. When you've recorded a loop and are playing it back, like we are currently now, you can record overdubs on top of it. To do so, press the record play foot switch or touch overdub on the screen. The loop will continue to play, but you'll now record over the top. This can be done continuously for multiple layers. When you're finished recording, press the record play foot switch or touch play on the screen. Overdub recording will stop, but the loop will continue to play back. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on this unit and others to come. Plus, if you'd like to support the channel directly, why not consider becoming a member? Thanks again, goodbye, see you in the next one.